Hey guys, I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make this ridiculously creamy vegan mac and cheese. And if you love this video, please hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. This vegan mac and cheese is a healthier twist on a traditional mac and cheese. Now, the one big difference is that in our version here, we're not going to use any dairy at all. So you're probably wondering to yourself, how can you make a delicious mac and cheese without the cheese? Well, you absolutely can. We're gonna get creaminess from cashew nuts, and we're gonna get a really great cheesy flavor from nutritional yeast. If you guys have never heard of nutritional yeast, it's actually deactivated yeast that's then infused with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and antioxidants. So it's actually quite healthy. I already have the water boiling for the pasta back here, so all I have to do is dump my macaroni in. I'm gonna add a little salt to the water. Next up, we're gonna rough chop 1/2 of an onion and also 1 clove of garlic. Now we're gonna set this aside. The pasta just finished, so now I'm gonna take it and drain it. Come on over here with me. Just gonna let a little bit of the water run off. We're just gonna set this pasta aside while we work on the sauce. Next, we're gonna saute our onions, so let's add a little bit of oil to the pan and toss these onions in. We wanna cook these onions until they're a little translucent. And don't forget to add a little salt to the onions as they saute. It really helps to bring out the flavor. Next up, we're gonna add our garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Now you might be wondering, why are we adding mustard to a vegan mac and cheese? Sounds kind of weird, but the really cool thing about this is that it gives a little tang to the overall dish. Now we're gonna add our cashews and our 1 cup of water. Now this step is all about giving the cashews time in the water to get softer. I have made this mac and cheese before without doing this very critical step. The mac and cheese came out kind of lumpy and a little crunchy. Super important, let the cashews soften in this hot water. We're gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes. The cashews are totally softened now, so let me show you exactly how soft they should be. And they should be so soft that you could be able to take a fork and easily pierce right through them. Now we're gonna take this cashew mixture and dump it in the blender. You can already see a color developing that looks very similar to real mac and cheese too, which is pretty cool. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. And like I said before, this is what's gonna give us that cheesy flavor. Nutritional yeast is a really, really cool product that is such a godsend for vegans. All right, let's give it a blend. The soup?
Emulsify.
That's the soup one, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's just so funny that you buy this really nice blender and then it comes with these pictures and you're just supposed to like automatically know what the pictures mean. Like there's a soup picture, there's a little icicle, I guess that's for smoothies, and then the soup for making like, I guess that would be blending soup. We're kind of blending soup because we're making a sauce.
It's not rocket science, just.
Oh, it's not rocket science, Cameron? All right, I'm gonna do the soup icon. Here we go. A really good blender is such an important thing to have because it's really loud, but it allows you to really make everything super smooth and really nice because you want a super creamy mac and cheese. Okay. I don't know if you heard what I just said, but it's really good to invest in a very high quality blender because when you want to make a sauce or something really smooth, you want that power. And that's what a Vitamix has, and that's why I bought it. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, this looks so good. Okay, Cameron, let me show you. This is exactly what we're looking for. See that creaminess? I mean, it looks like mac and cheese. Cheese for mac and cheese, doesn't it? And can you believe we've already gotten this incredible texture with no dairy, no real cheese whatsoever, just softened cashew nuts and a little nutritional yeast. This is awesome. Okay, let's mix it together. So we're gonna take our vegan cheese that we just made and let's pour it in here. And we're gonna mix it all together. Whoa, look at that cheese! That looks awesome. And it smells really good too. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna mix it together. I wish I had like a slow-mo thing so I could like do this really like sexy like mixing thing. And it looks like this beautiful mac and cheese, which it is. I'll just go really slow so it'll kind of look like that's happening. And then we should like play some like really like sexy mac and cheese music in the background. I don't even know what that means. Okay, look at how beautiful this vegan mac and cheese is. I cannot wait to give this a taste. Before I give this a taste, if you love this recipe and you want to see other healthy recipes just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. All right, let's do it. So you can also make this vegan mac and cheese even healthier with the addition of steamed broccoli. I love putting some steamed broccoli into this mac and cheese. It's kind of like you're creating this. It's my wife's chicken. My wife gets really mad when I dominate the kitchen in midday and she doesn't have time to come in here and have lunch, so I made her a piece of chicken. Anyway, you can take this mac and cheese and make it even healthier by adding some steamed broccoli. And I love to do that because it's like you can make this bowl that has a super balanced meal in it. You've got your carb from your pasta, you've got your cheesy goodness from the cashews, you've got a healthy green vegetable with the steamed broccoli. It's awesome. All right, let's give it a taste. No more talking, let's give it a taste. This is so creamy. I can't believe you can make a vegan mac and cheese so creamy without any dairy. It feels kind of like a miracle, and I just love this recipe so much. And guys, I know you're gonna love this one. You've gotta try it. I'll see you in the next video.